So every night I have to go on a scavenger hunt for my chickens because they can get out of the fence, but they don't know how to get back into the fence. She's gonna freak out. You're okay. Yes, put yourself up there, thank you. They can jump over this fence to get out, but they don't know how to jump back in for whatever reason. Can you just stop? Thank you. All right. Now time to go get my dummies that are up there. Are you gonna let me grab you? Or are you all gonna freak out like you did last time? Alright, back to the coop we go. You can't see it, but I've got 3 full-grown chickens in my arms in the camera. There's one, okay, and then the other 2. This is Nightly. This might be a little bit hard to see because it's pitch black down here. Gonna open the door. Ladies, gentle ducks and chickens, time for bed. Come on. My black Swedish, all you can see is their front whiteness. The rest of them blends into the dark. Time for bed. I know. I may have to turn the light on for them, hold on. Which is another thing. I need to get another light for the coop because I think they don't go in because it gets too dark and they're afraid. Alright, the chickens' buckets are ready for tomorrow. And we ferment the feed for the big chickens and the ducks. If you have questions on that, I can do a video later. So we don't ferment the feed for the chicks, but I do add water to it to moisten it. So I take some of the water out of a bucket that's already been fermenting. I need to get the feed in there, and I add it to their slop. See, this is where our babies are. Just like that. They might need more water. We'll see. The stuff soaks up pretty nicely though. They seem to enjoy it, and they go through less food and a little bit less water.